Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you some of the birds. We'll draw a parrot, a sparrow and an owl, which you can practice turn by turn. So starting with the video, I am not going to make the borders, but starting with the branch, drawing from here, we'll have a side branch of a tree. You just need to draw a straight line like this. Then you can draw a circles to show the shape of a branch and making it look real. Now making the branches from this first branch we'll make here. Taking the branch and making different turns from this branch. Now we'll draw a sparrow here on this branch. For that you need to draw a semicircle and then draw two parallel lines. When the two parallel lines are done, draw a sleeping line like this and the slanting line like this. Then taking a turn from downwards and moving towards this point. Now drawing two slanting lines and then draw curves like this. When it is done, you need to draw the eyes, the beak of the sparrow and then its paws like this in both the feet. Now making a oval shape and giving it a pointed look from here. Here the sparrow is done. You can make curves like this in between and drawing standing lines like this. Now the sparrow is complete. Making some leaves on the branches. Here also. And here too. One branch is done and a sparrow is done. Now we'll learn how to make a parrot. For parrot, I am making another branch from here. Drawing this branch like this. And taking it back. Here the branch is drawn. Now we will make a parrot. For the parrot, you need to draw a standing line like this. Right one. Now take a curve and move down towards the branch. After this, you need to draw a curve like this and bring it down to make a V. So the branch that is coming in between, we'll erase that. Now draw a curve in between the parrot and making another curve, a U here. Draw the eyes of a parrot. For beak, the parrot's beak is down, so you need to draw a beak like this and then drawing another curve. Here you can make U like this, and here small C's to give a parrot look. The parrot is done. Now we'll make leaves on this branch also. It is done. The two birds are done. Now we are going towards the third bird, that is owl. Let's make the owl here. For the owl, you need to draw a heart. So for the owl, you need to draw a heart. Like this. The heart is done. Now we'll make the head of the owl. Like this. Now making eyes with the help of a circle and another circle in between. Like this. Making the nose and then making a U, and now making the U like this. Draw a curve like this from here and another curve from here. The body of owl is done. We need to make its paw and its tail from here. So now we'll make a branch for this owl. Starting from here. This branch of a tree is done. Rubbing this line in between the branch and making another branch from here. So this branch is done. Making one branch from here and drawing a leaf. Now you can write C like this in between. Owl is done, sparrow is done, and the parrot is done. Start with the outlining. Carefully outline the birds and the branches. Now erasing the leftover lines. So our outlining is done. Now starting with the colors. Coloring the stem and the branches with the brown color. Now you need to give the shades darker from the sides and going towards the light. Dark from sides, and you can color these circles dark in color. You need to highlight these lines to give it a natural look. Now coloring the branches. In the branches also dark from upper side and moving towards light. So when the brown color is complete, now we'll give the shade with the black color. So it's done. Now I'm doing this activity with the branches. Don't do it dark, just the light shade of black. After completing this, color the leaves with light green color. Now start coloring the parrot. For the beak, you will do red color. Coloring the parrot in light green color. First color the parrot in the even shade of green. And now shading the dark from the edges and moving towards light. Dark from the edges, moving towards light. Also color this part dark from the edges. For the center part, I am using dark green color. Okay, so coloring the owl with the brown color, yellow color in the center. And in the head. And coloring this part with the brown color. Coloring the nose in red color and the same shading from dark to light. Giving the brown color shade in this yellow color. And here also. Again starting from the dark and moving towards the light. Now moving towards the sparrow, coloring the sparrow in brown color and the beak with the red color. The eyes with black color. First colored the brown evenly. All the colors are done. Now coloring the whole sheet, that is the sky, with sky blue color. Giving the shade from dark to light. So we are done with the shading. The painting is complete. The drawing is complete. You all can try this at your home. You can also try it one by one, drawing one bird on one page, large in size. I hope you liked the video and you will enjoy making these birds. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like and comment on the video. Thank you.